Are you looking for the best portable car heaters? As drivers increasingly seek quick, portable climate control without relying on a vehicle's built-in HVAC system, 12-volt portable car heaters have become a popular accessory for winter defrosting, defogging, and cabin comfort. These compact devices plug into the cigarette lighter and promise rapid warm air, 360-degree air direction control, and multifunction operation in a small footprint. This review examines 5 offerings from brands QEPJO.
Product number 1, car heater. Portable car heaters. Overview. Noom Hosai's 12V portable heater fan combines heating and cooling to tackle frost, fog, and mist on windshields and windows. It uses ABS and polymer heat-resistant housing with a copper power lead and a 360-degree rotary holder, plus a non-slip mat or double-sided tape mounting option. The unit promises rapid warm air within 30 seconds and a 360-degree rotation for flexible direction. The package is compact, 6.1 by 4.84 by 3.27 inches, 11.7 ounces, and it's designed for plug-and-play use via a cigarette lighter socket. Pros emphasize its dual-function capability and quick warm-up, which helps with rapid defrosting and visibility in cold mornings. Cons include limited heat output compared to higher wattage 150 to 200 watt units, potential stability concerns if not secured, and reliance on the car's 12V system, which may marginally impact battery health during extended use. In practice, Noom Hosai performs well for immediate defogging and light warming. The 360-degree rotable design lets you direct warm air toward the windshield, side windows, or rear windows, improving visibility quickly. For use cases, it suits short trips, taxi rides, or rideshare drivers who need a quick defrost before passenger pickup. Build quality feels sturdy for the price, and the device claims copper wiring to reduce voltage drop. However, the lower wattage, relative to larger 12V heaters, means it's best used for rapid defrosting rather than sustained cabin heating, and noise levels under higher fan speeds may be noticeable.
Product number 2, car heater overview. WoodyFig's Car Heater 001 emphasizes intelligent design with an automatic power-off protection fuse and a 180-degree rotate suction holder. This model highlights fast heating, dual-mode operation, heating and cooling, and a safety-conscious approach that aims to minimize voltage issues. The device is designed for 12-volt 1500-watt vehicles and targets defrost defogging needs across windshields and windows, with a focus on rapid de-icing and fog removal. In practice, the WoodyFig unit delivers quick warmth and effective defogging while offering safety features like automatic power-off and anti-voltage protection. Its section holder improves mounting stability and positioning, which is beneficial for drivers who need to place the unit securely on the dash or windshield area. Users who value energy efficiency and quiet operation may appreciate the safety-centric design, though some might find 150-watt heat output modest for larger vehicles on very cold mornings. The device's 180-degree rotation adds versatility for target airflow. Product number 3, car heater portable car defroster. Overview. QEPJO's 12V 200-watt portable heater defroster offers a higher wattage option within this price tier, advertising 200-watt heating with 360 degrees and 90-degree movement for multi-angle air delivery. The device uses ceramic PTC heating technology and ABS housing, with safety features like overheating protection and a low-noise design. The 6.42 by 4.49 by 3.11-inch footprint and 12.6-ounce weight place it as a compact but capable option for quicker defrost and warming. In practice, the 200-watt heating delivers stronger warmth and faster windshield defrost than lighter units, making it suitable for small to mid-sized vehicles as a quick pre-drive defog solution. The 360-degree horizontal rotation and 60-degree vertical rotation facilitate precise targeting. The ceramic PTC element tends to offer reliable, steady heat, with relatively low noise compared to older coil-based heaters. Potential drawbacks include higher power draw relative to some rivals and the need to ensure adequate fuse capacity for extended use, particularly in older vehicles.
Product number 4, car heater 12V 150 watts 2-in-1 defroster.
Creacare's 150-watt 2-in-1 defroster defogger emphasizes larger airflow and robust construction with 360-degree rotation. It's built with a high temperature-resistant housing and reinforced copper wiring for stable power delivery. The device is designed to quickly defrost and demist windows while providing interior warmth, and it highlights a wide air outlet for broader coverage and faster warming. The unit weighs 12.3 ounces and measures 5.98 by 2.83 by 4.84 inches. Pros underscore the large airflow and durable design, as well as safety-focused copper wiring. In use, the high airflow design translates to faster clearance of frost and fog across broader window areas, making it especially effective for larger cabins or when rapid visibility is essential. The 360-degree rotation allows precise airflow targeting, reducing wait times in chilly mornings. The 12V system compatibility is broad, but power consumption at 150 watts means that it will draw more current than lower wattage Ravels, so users should monitor fuse capacities and battery state for extended operation. Some users may desire quieter operation, as high airflow can introduce more noise at peak settings.
Product number 5. Portable car heater overview. Nugzix's 12-volt 2-in-1 heater fan mirrors the dual-function approach with a 360-degree rotatable mount and a compact form, marketed as a straightforward defrost defogging solution while offering cooling in warm seasons. It matches the Nimhoside design language with ABS plastic construction, copper wiring, and a quick warm-up claim of around 30 seconds. The unit's dimensions place it in a compact category, 6.77 by 5.12 by 3.31 inches, with a 13.4-ounce weight, which should suit compact interiors without obstructing pedals or control layout. In real-world testing, Nugzix's unit behaves similarly to the Nimhoside model, with rapid heat onset and effective defogging in short timeframes. The 360-degree swivel and secure mounting on non-slip mats or tape help with positioning, though stability depends on mounting surface. The unit's heavier weight compared to some near-identical rivals may impact handleability, but the build quality remains solid for its class. As with most 12-volt devices, it is best used for quick clearance rather than prolonged climate control.